If your Chevy Blazer's key fob battery is dead, don't worry, you're not locked out. All 2019 and 24 models have a physical key hidden inside the fob. Press the small release button on the fob to slide out the mechanical key. Use this key to manually unlock the driver's side door. Insert the key into the door lock cylinder, which may be hidden under a cover on some models. This will give you access to your vehicle even without a functioning key fob battery. Remember, about 15 to 20% of owners experience key fob failures annually, so knowing this is crucial. Once inside your Blazer, you can still start the engine even with a dead key fob battery. Place the key fob as close as possible to the push-button start button, typically located on the center console. Press the start button while the fob is nearby. The vehicle's proximity sensors should detect the fob's RFID chip, allowing the engine to start. This bypasses the need for the battery. Keep in mind that replacing the CR2032 battery in your key fob can prevent future occurrences. You can replace it yourself for around $5 to $10.